What's up guys, today I have big news for Samsung lovers who are eagerly waiting for the 10th anniversary Galaxy S10, and not only one, here are two big surprises. So first off, talk about the most anticipated feature, that is in-display fingerprint sensor. And now finally it's officially confirmed. According to AT News, Samsung finally decided to implement the in-display fingerprint sensor in the Galaxy S10. The display will be supplied by Samsung Display, while the Qualcomm is going to supply the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner will be more accurate and more advanced than the current Vivo's optical sensors. The ultrasonic sensors will be more faster and more reliable, and in these sensors you don't need to press hardly on the screen. It's unlock the phone by just one touch on display, and as you can see in summary, it supports some type of navigational gestures which can wake up your device, and not only that, it will be worked underwater as well. And couple of months ago, Twitter leakster Zaid Athar released the patent of Samsung, which may be the Galaxy S10, and as you can see, the camera location in this patent is changed from previous Samsung's S3 phone. And to solve that, the question was arrived in my mind that where Samsung implement heart rate monitor and other sensors. But I am feeling very excited to state that the fingerprint sensor of Galaxy S10 will not only unlock your device, but also it can detect your blood pressure and heart rate as well, which makes it the all-in-one in-display fingerprint solution. And also it makes this design more possible, but it's not confirmed yet. It's just a patent now, but the in-display fingerprint sensor is confirmed. And as we heard before that the Galaxy S10 will be coming with a 3D facial recognition, but it seems like that Samsung cancels the plan of 3D Face ID instead of a better and more advanced in-display fingerprint solution. And one more thing that I want to say is the most killer one. Yes, I am talking about triple rear camera. According to a report from South Korea saying that the Galaxy S10 could feature triple rear camera setup just like Huawei's P20 Pro. And not only one, multiple reports says that Samsung might equip the triple rear camera, and the addition of one more camera is not for a bokeh effect and for optical and hybrid zoom. Rumors says that the third sensor will not be same as the other two sensors. It will be a 3D sensor especially for a better AR world, but don't take it too seriously. It's not officially confirmed by Samsung themselves, but it seems like that Samsung is researching hard about this third sensor. Hopefully they will be implement this third sensor to make the Galaxy S10 more complete and more futuristic beast. And now let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy S10. And make sure to subscribe for the upcoming daily tech videos. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.